Belize construction. There's a Belizean junkyard mechanic shop. They seem to deal exclusively in buses from what I saw. Bunch of engine parts and non-recycled metal. Hey, there's a cat down in there. Legs in a tree.
Still warm even though it's not sunny. I'll be right back. Yeah, no problem.
Oh, and the beach came right back, eh? Right there. They've changed it a bit. Isn't this it?
My plan was to put the arch here
Yeah?
and then have that in the background.
Yeah? Okay. And get like married right here?
Yeah. So like here probably.
Ooh, exciting.
Me facing the hero.
And whoever's on
Good tattoo.
the beach is invited.
Well, we need someone to sign.
Well, that's what I mean. Wow, awesome. Oh,
This is the 2-bedroom one, but it was rented out.
we still have a 2-bedroom one though, yeah.